Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates iyodlala against Stellenbosch. Okuzobe kuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu. Kuzobe kuyi-MCA Net final ezobe idlalelwa eMbombela Stadium. I just like the fact that i-graphic eyenziwe bafethu. Umbona la uSehlendulo wayedlalela iStellenbosch last season, base uyambona la ngaphezulu wayedlalela Orlando Pirates. Graphic design Orlando Pirates unmatched bafethu. Look at the players. Sehlendulo la season uzomaka uSehlendulo this season. But again, enough about that. Igame ebalulekile kakhulu le for both teams because Stellies asike siyiwine le competition le bafuna ukuyiwina impela. Last season they were at the final and this season bakwi final futhi. So abafuna ukuthi badliwe kule final again. Orlando Pirates efuna ukwenza history futhi ibe team yokuqala ukuthi iwine iMTN go 4 in a row. So ngabe yiphi team esowina asazi. But again namhlanje ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction yami mase ngithola ithuba wangitshela nawe i-lineup prediction yakho kuma comments. But again le eyami yabo mhlambe ungayicritique but ungayigxeki kakhulu. Ungitshele wena eyakho kuma comments nami ngifuna ukubona eyakho. Ungavele nje uyicritique ungangikhombisi eyakho. Ungangibhalele eyakho kuma comments. But again naye eyami bafethu. To be honest, I know abantu abaningi bazoyigxeka kakhulu le lineup le. But again it's based on my understanding. It's based on the way I look at izinto. The way I look at Stellenbosch indlela edlala ngakhona uzobona nje now. Ebhaleni ngizoqalisa Sipho Chain. Ngifuna ukuchaza kakhulu. Sipho Chain is the only goalkeeper who can start on cup finals. He tends to do more kuma big games for Orlando Pirates. So I'll start Sipho Chain at the back. Mase kuthi my two center backs. I know uSibisi benosesane babuyile bafethu, but starting uSibisi noSesane in a game like a cup final against the Stellenbosch might be a big mistake for us because when you look at the two center backs we have currently right now who are playing for Orlando Pirates, they are really comfortable at the back. They are comfortable at the back. They know how to mark. They know how to complement each other. They know how to distribute these balls aqhamuke emuva bayise kuma wingers wethu. So I trust these two young boys ukuthi baqhubeke nalomsebenzi ade bewenza throughout the whole competition, throughout the whole season isaqalile. Yabo both bayakwazi ukudlalisana ndawonye. So I trust these guys to do umsebenzi futhi against the Stellies. They did umsebenzi vele against the Stellies ngosikhathi sidlala le Orlando Stadium. So why into ezobahlula right now? So I trust these boys to do umsebenzi. Wangitshela ke wena uthi would you start uSesane benombokazi in this game or would you start uMbokazi benoCM? Would you start uSibisi benombokazi? Angazi. Wangitshela ama comments. Mase kuthi kuma wing backs bafethu all start uLibito as a right wing back. Currently we don't know ukuthi Van Rooyen ngabe right yini. Van Rooyen asikekezwa word from management esitshela ukuthi Van Rooyen kwenzakalani ngaye. But ke umchita the last time I saw him he was carried out umshida wayelimele. So I'll start with Libito bafethu. I know some people might say why not uShando. Mina on any day I'll start an injured Libito then uShando. Mase kuthi lapha ku left wing back position I'll start with Deon Hart bafethu is the hard working left back we have. There is no left back esinayo kuOrlando Pirates engakwazi ukuthi umjita imhlule. Yabo. So we do need competition kule left wing back position, but ke kule final le umjita ngamqalisa impela umjita. Yabo I'll start with Deon Hart. So far this is my back four. Yabo nothing a lot has changed from our last match. Yabo uma soyibheke nje iback four yethu CM uMbokazi uLibito mase kubo Deon Hart. I know iStellies si expect le back four vele. So angifuni siloku eshintsha into eziningi because meshintsha into eziningi lezo zinto lezo singasidalela ama mistakes. So we must stick to what we have. We must stick to what we know. I know we have quality players who have returned, but it might be a risk ukuthi sibaqalise ku cup final. This is the cup final. It's not any ordinary game. I would understand if we were playing against the Chippa United. This is a Stellies. It's not a typical team. Stellies sina ukuthi sisibonisa ama Flames. Last time we played them sabasha ngescore esincane 1-0. Yabo so kumele kule game le sibakhombisa and bafuna ukuzopheya ngempela. Sabasha nje u3-1 and babengekho happy. Yabo kwasale inkulumo. So ngifuna right now sibathulise. Mase ngithi lapha ku central defensive midfield yami I know Makhehleni Makhawula ubuyile and uyajima with the team umjita. So I don't know ukumqalisa kodwa against Stellies angazi. Mina I'll start uSehlendulo knows the team. esiyodlala nayo. He knows the tactics asetshenziswa uSteve Barker. He recently played for iSteelers. So uSehlenduli, I trust him to play that position very well. So bekuyi-cup final yakhe yokuqala umjida with uSiyema. So bazokwenza sure not ukuthi cup final yakhe yokuqala sekwadlala phela uSehlenduli last season sengikhohliwe, but ke uzobe eqala ukuthi eyiwin. Asazi noma sizowina yini, but uzobe eqala ukuthi eyiwina. But ke ngingamqalisa mina lapha uSehlenduli as number 6 bafethu. Wangitshela nje ungaqalisa bayise number 6, but lapha eswini ngamqalisa uSehlenduli bafethu. Mase ukuthi abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakhe. I saw many lineup predictions bafethu. Abantu abaningi beqalisa uTito, abantu abaningi beqalisa uMfokeng as number 10, but based on what I saw, based on what I see bedlala, mina I'll start uMbatha as number 8 and start lomjida lo uSipho Mbule as number 10. I'll start uMbatha as number 8, start uSipho Mbule as number 10. I know a lot of people might not agree with me, but like I'm expecting a lot of comments. Should ngeke fan wasiqalisa kanje. I know Sipho Mbule benombatha they tend not to finish my games. They tend not to finish my games, but when you look at these players, uba uthi indlela abadlala ngakhona, yabo uMbatha he has that defensive element in his play. Yabo he has that defensive element in his play. He can drop asize ubani uSehlenduli mase ukuthi uSipho Mbule yabo akwazi ukuthi aoperate lapha phambili, adistribute lama bowlers lawa adingwa ama forwards ethu. We need ukuthi ama forwards ethu aye phambili ayo add ama numbers. We need ama forward ethu aye phambili ayokora, yabo. So I trust uSipho Mbule to be that player eswini ozokwazi ukuthi asimovele ibhola benombatha. uMbatha uyakwazi ukwenza lonto. uMbatha indlela adlala ngayo right now, he's fearless. He knows how to carry the ball deep and take it to the opponents and push the opponents. So I trust uMbatha benoSipho Mbule to operate ngempela bacomplementana kule game le, yabo. Ingakho ngibaqalisa, the reason why ngibaqalisa, I know second half I have players who can who I can put on, yabo. I have players abaplayer njengoTito Maswanganyi, so I need the bench lethu libe strong, yabo. I know iSteelers asinawo abadlali abaningi abazosuka ebenchini abantswembu. Still asinabadlali abaningi abantswembu abazosuka ebenchini. So thina misizoba nebench eli strong, badlale nge-first SI yabo, badlale ngama best 11 wabo. I'm not saying this is not the best 11, but basiqalele nge-best 11 yayo sikwazi ukuyibamba. Mase uthi second half senze lento esayenza la season, si-introduce umdlalo ozoshintshela igame. Ilapho khona esizobabulela khona, yabo. Sibathole nje sebekhathele into uJose Rivera yenza wa-introduce uMfokeng, so wena 3-1, yabo. Mase uthi kuma-wingers wami ku-left wing abafethu ngaqalisa bani uMfokeng. Left wing angaqalisa uMfokeng. I know a lot of people might say, but Van uMfokeng currently akanayo i-performance right. Yes, akanayo i-performance right uMfokeng, but starting him in a cup final might boost his spirits. Starting him in a cup final, he scored last season in a cup final. No, he made wonders last season in a cup final. So starting him in this game, ngamkhuphulele moral kakhulu. And umjida, he's a big player. He's a big player. He tends to do more in big stages. So I'll start Mfokeng. Even Hugo Bros, he didn't play Mfokeng kakhulu, he didn't play uMbatha kakhulu kulama games lawa esibuya kona international games. Besicabangela kakhulu uHugo Bros ukuthi abadlali laba bayodlala icup final, so ngingabahlalisi kakhulu. Even uSibelebele athola ngama minutes amaningi, so we understand ukuthi siyodlala icup final against the Steelers, which is not a good a small game. So I'll start these two. Mase uthi Sibelebele right, I don't know, bese uSibelebele ngembe benchini. I didn't think ngokwami bengizombe ebenchini, yabo, angeneze i-game changer, but ngamqalisa kule game le. Ngifuna uOsunapolisa be game changer. The last game we played, uOsunapolisa was very very good, so ngambeka ebenchini abe i-game changer. Ungangitshela ke wena imapha amawing ungawaqalisa, but na amawing ngami left wing uMfokeng, mase ukuthi ka right wing ngidlalise bani, ngidlalise lo mjida lo uSibelebele. Mase ukuthi up front ngadlalisa iHoppers bafethu uMakgopa ke isona striker for me ku-Orlando Pirates currently engasithemba, isona nje striker. So iyona ke i-lineup prediction yaVana Sports le. Epalini Sipho Chain, the defenders Siyema and uMbokazi, Lebitso as a right wing back, Dion Hoto, Sihle Nduli, Talent Mbatha, Sipombule, Sibelebele Makgopa, and Mfukeng up front. This is the first half lineup. Second half lineup bawongenaka bajita bashintshela igame second half.